Penn State, welcome to the new state of your Workday. During this demonstration, we will take a look at the following items in Workday. What is Workday? Navigating the Workday homepage. Changing emergency contacts. Searching in Workday. Viewing and printing your payslip. What is Workday? Workday is a user-friendly and secure cloud-based HR and payroll system that will replace multiple legacy systems at Penn State on June 11, 2017. Workday includes benefits, time tracking, payment elections, and much more. Workday will be easily reached through the new Workday portal, a personalized access point for all things Penn State HR. You will be able to log into the Workday portal using the university's single sign-on solution. Workday will help human resources better serve the needs of faculty, staff, technical service, and student employees. Once you have logged into Workday, the home page defaults and is the first page you will see. You should know your Workday features and functionality may differ from others within Penn State depending on your role. The icons on the home page are called worklets, which are organized by areas, like pay, benefits, and time off. Within worklets you can take actions or view information. The home icon in the upper left corner will return you to the home page from anywhere in Workday. In Workday, you can change your emergency contacts. Let's watch Turner Sosa change her emergency contacts. On the Workday landing page, click the Personal Information worklet. Click Emergency Contacts. In this example, Turner Sosa needs to edit her emergency contact information. Click the Edit button. If Turner didn't have an emergency contact, the Edit button would be an Add button instead. She would click the Add button to add an emergency contact. Turner has a current primary emergency contact, Stephen Rittenauer. She would like to keep him as the primary contact, but needs to update her relationship to him as well as include his primary address. Required elements for a primary emergency contact are the legal name and the relationship. Click the Edit icon next to Relationship. To see the list of available relationships, click the hamburger icon. A list of relationship options is available. Currently, Stephen Rittenauer is listed as Other. Turner would like to change her relationship to Stephen from Other to Spouse. Click on Spouse. Click the check mark. We can also add a preferred language if we would like. Other optional items that we can add to the primary emergency contact include additional phone, primary email, primary instant messenger, and web address. Click the Add button under Primary Address to add an address to Stephen Rittenauer. Turner updates Stephen's address. Required fields include country, address, city, state, postal code, and type. Type is a choice between home address and work address. Click the check mark when finished. Turner also wants to add an alternate emergency contact. Click on the Add button. For each emergency contact, you can add a priority level. Turner's primary emergency contact is currently her spouse, Stephen. She could change the priority for Shauna to 1 or leave it as 2. She will leave Shauna as number 2. Required elements for the additional contact include first name, last name, priority, and relationship. Additional required elements include address, city, state, and postal code. Turner would also like to enter a phone number for this contact. She is required to enter the type of phone device as well as the phone number. Click the check mark when finished. You can click the Submit button to save changes or save for later. The screen will show that the change is successful. In the Search field, you can search for people and tasks, such as request time off. You can also search for reports and business data. The search categories help narrow or broaden my search. To view your pay information, click the Pay worklet. You will see actions that can be completed, items that can be viewed, as well as a list of recent payslips. To view a specific payslip, click on the appropriate payslip period. You can view the contents of your payslip. For a summary printout of your payslip, click the button that says Print Payslip Image. For a more detailed payslip, click the printer icon in the upper right corner. In either case, you will be asked to open or save a PDF. This concludes the demonstration. Penn State, welcome to your Workday.